my dear friends of Symphonic Brass Music, and welcome to, something different. I want to show you an old song I revisited. There's a background story to that song. If you want to see it in total and you're German speaking, so just watch the video in the up right corner right now. For everyone else. This is a song by my last very own band. I shared with 3 awesome people, and the singer isn't with us anymore, so this project is non-existent, or it was not existent anymore way before she passed away. But anyway, I wasn't particularly happy with the songs. Well, I was particularly happy with the songs, but I thought, well, there's more to it. And I found some CDs with multi-tracks of 3 songs we did. We did a whole album, but I found 3 songs. Because back in the day, I didn't mix it. We had a friend of mine who did this for us, because I didn't have the experience I have now. So I wasn't particularly confident doing this record, so I let him do it. And all the multi-tracks that I recorded everything, but all the multi-tracks have been in Cubase, and all these sessions been lost, and can't be bothered to put everything together again. So yeah, basically all I had were these 3 songs with some stems, and that's it. And I thought, okay, well, let's start all over, and I revisited the song. So what I did is I played the bass again. There are new guitars that I played. There are new synth I played. A lot of parts are left, especially the vocals, but I treated them. And I wanted to show you what I did after, let me think, 10 years or something after I wrote this song. And this particular song is written by me completely. So I give you a listen to the original one, till the verse hits or something. I just skip right in. I have no idea where we are, so here we go. So there we go. To be honest, I don't want to say that anyone who worked on that project done a bad job. No, that's been awesome 10 years back. The guy we worked with isn't a professional mixing engineer. He just does that for a hobby. But he did it better than I did back in the day. So... But as I'm doing this full time since the production of that album, links to everything is in the description below if you want to listen to more. I found myself enhancing this song quite a bit. So what did I do? I got rid of that drum beat we did, and I made a new one. I played the bass again. I left some guitars back in, played 2 guitars by my own. The melody guitar is still the same. There are a few new synths coming in. And I did something to the vocal I'm going to show you later. So I tried to match where we were and just play my version of this. So, what you hear, there's a synth that hasn't been here. That one. But what is left is this. So yeah, that's a bit filling. And when I saw the multi-tracks, I was like, why haven't I done all that already? Because everything I do now is so common sense to me, so natural to me. Especially in that genre, because this is my genre. This is where I'm the most comfortable in, this new wave, post-punk-ish thing. And so I was quite, not annoyed by myself, but I was wondering about my older self, why not coming up with all these ideas. But I want to show you some stuff I did, because in the original version, there's a lyric mistake that I did, because the following sentence doesn't make sense. Wrong one. Sorry. That should be it. Where is it? No, that's the one. That one. There are tabloids made. Tabloids, a hell of tabloids. That's wrong. That's just wrong. That's just the wrong word. I wanted to say statues or something like that. There are, there are statues, a hell of a statue. That would have make sense. But the word tabloid is just wrong. There, it's just not that good in English. I still am not. So anyway, so what did I do? I got rid of. I copy pasted something from the first verse. So what is on that track right now is this one. And that was quite tricky to get that right, because there is a word stopping which isn't there. So let me try and open that up so you can see. This is the original one. Like sparks. So, doesn't work. Like sparks, but made of stone. So she sang that over in that version. This is just made of stone. So there's no break in it. So I had to create that break. This is why this cut is here. Of a memory made of stone. Which sounds completely cut if you hear it in solo, but if you hear the whole track, with all this reverb and delay going on, you don't notice it. So you can do stuff like that. So if you find yourself in the situation that you have to fix something in the mix, which you shouldn't do, but you just can't do it because I physically can't ask her to sing this again. There's no way, because she's... Yeah. You just do something like that. I guess there's some, because I see this polyphonic in here, I guess there's something warped, something as well. Yeah, you see, there's something warped in there as well. So there are a lot of tools that you can do to fix something. But what you should do is just hide it. Something else I did and I already converted it in because I did the edit, and I wanted to do the edit on the already tuned vocals. I didn't have to tune much, but I made a second voice. So
there are memories, a hull of a memory made of stone, so never forget.
And that sounds horrible on its own. But if you listen to both tracks together,
there are memories, a hull of a memory.
You already don't notice it, even though there's not the whole song playing. But if you listen to the whole song, you don't notice any artifacts or anything at all.
There are memories, a hull of a memory made of stone, so never forget. Tear it down.
So you can do stuff like that. And if I show you the last verse and I just mute the second voice, you will notice that it's a good thing to have something like that.
There are memories, a hull of a memory, like sparks that glow in your head. Let them burn.
It's just filling. So again, an idea I had now, and I thought, why didn't I do this before? Why haven't I done this before? That's so natural now to me. So what I want to show you with that video is be prepared that you will change your opinion on stuff, but also you will evolve, and the project you revisit 10 years ago might be different, maybe better, maybe worse than what you did 10 years ago. And now press play. I hope you enjoy that song. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to do a video about that project. Again, so I don't know when it's coming up. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.